Okay, February 20th, 2026. I guess it's a little after 2:30, I don't know. Mid-70s, very nice. I'm not sure, this may be the Amicalola River, Amicalola Creek, I don't know what it is. This used to be a nice primitive camp area, but they've got no camping now. That'd be a nice swimming hole. That water's deeper than it looks, folks. Day use, camping allowed during hunting season. But this used to be a nice primitive campsite. I don't know if they had problems or why they closed it off, but part of the Dawson Wildlife Management area. There are trails down there. We've walked a little bit, but not too far. We're going to take this opportunity, let the van rest a few minutes. We're going to look around underneath it, checking tires, check for leaks. That is going back east. It is looking up north, southwest. We're going to head down to the steel bridge. We'll come out here and turn left. That'll take us down by Big Canoe during designated big game dates, hunt dates. Let's cut it off till we get down here. Okay, no camping. I guess the stream bank restoration in progress. I don't see anything they're trying to do, but whatever. So this will empty into the Etowah River. And I don't think there's a huge bear population around here, but you may very well see bear. Probably wild hog, fox, squirrel, maybe a few rabbits. I don't know that you'll see any rabbits. Predators, rabbit predators, and there's not that much browse for rabbits as far as open your grass, clover, and all the stuff that they like to eat. Okay, let's wrap this up, edit it, get it ready to upload. This is the S22 Ultra. We've got one uploaded already. We've got one in the camera in the Osmo Action 5. It's over 30 minutes, so we've got to put it in the computer and upload it straight from there. And like I said, we're going to walk around the van, look underneath it and everything, make sure everything's okay. Let it cool off a little bit before we head on down to the steel bridge and then across the valley, across 53 through Marble Hill, Tate, and then decide whether we're going to go to Jasper and take 53. I don't know that we will. Time's getting a little bit late today, so I haven't seen any tracks, wild animal tracks. There's something there, probably looks like dog, but nothing fresh. So a couple of feet prints, people, but okay, well, let's wrap this up and get it started.